everyone. This is a promotional video about Industrial Engineering Training Program of the Garment Factory. We would like to start with a brief introduction of our consulting firm. Skilift Consulting helps to uplift employee skills to a whole new dimension. The personification of training will boost manpower skills, leading to better organizational efficiency. We work primarily in the textile and clothing sector across the world. We have worked with private enterprises, UN organizations and government organizations in 9 countries. We have executed more than 90 projects with almost 63 clients and trained more than 1,250 textile and apparel professionals. Industrial engineers are the ones who drive out the unneeded in the entire production process. They develop efficient systems, SOPs that integrate workers, machines, materials, information and energy to make a product. The industrial engineers focus on optimum and effective utilization of men and machine. They work towards minimizing human intervention in production and quality through de-skilling and poker yoke. In garment industries, the industrial engineers highly emphasize on improving single as well as group process. Improving group process is highly challenging, but it plays a vital role in improving the manufacturing efficiency. Skilift Consulting has a wide and enhanced experience in training industrial engineers for the garment industry. We have trained more than 250 industrial engineers across the globe. Our program on industrial engineering extends for a duration of 4 weeks that includes training and implementation support. The training program focuses on improving the following key performing indicators: efficiency, standard time, MMR and CPM. Important concepts that fall under this program include individual process standardization, that includes movements, workstation layout and time study procedure. Group process standardization, that includes takt time concept and SMAD technique. Standard time calculation, operator grading, man-machine ratio, cost per minute, operational skills and behavioral intervention skills. The exhaustive list of skills will be available at our website. The participant group who can undergo this training will be middle and senior management of the industrial engineering department. However, few other departments like planning, production, maintenance, quality, human resource and costing would be a part of few modules to support and facilitate the industrial engineers during the execution. The industrial training program will occur in a series of modules to ensure effective learning. The program will be conducted with the following features: training on technical and operational tools, more of practical work, discussion on the standard practices across the globe, showcasing of the best method videos and practices from various parts of the world, appropriate examples with conceptual games and simulation, case studies, on-floor guidance, development of implementation plan and management seminars. We have conducted 15 such management training programs successfully, and in this video, we would like to share case studies of 2 clients. The first case study. Factory re-engineering was initiated for an existing factory in Tirupur, where supervisory along with industrial engineering training was imparted. Improvement was made on the following KPIs at a duration of 6 months. The sewing floor efficiency improved from 35% to 58%. Sewing rework drastically reduced from 11.55% to 2.5%. The cost per minute also came down from 5 rupees 75 paisa to 2 Indian rupees 38 paisa. Also, the operator and non-operator ratio in sewing came down from 0.47 to 0.23. The second case study. This is one of our milestones achieved in setting up of a new knitwear factory where industrial engineering training and TOT was imparted. In just 4 months, factory had 144 workers trained and reached an efficiency of 58% with a CPM of 2 Indian rupees and 60 paisa against all their Tirupur factory CPM that ranged between 3.5 to 4 Indian rupees. We would like to share few testimonials received from the apparel factories in recent times after implementation of this training program. We certainly assure that this program would be a huge money saver for you. The return on investment can be expected within 3 months. For more case studies and client testimonials, please do visit our website. To discuss further, kindly get back to us through the email ID and mobile number given below. Thank you.